Hello everybody, Gareth here from Paris Technologies, and today we're looking at version maintenance, and we're using this business idea, but we're having a little bit of fun with it with the Rugby World Cup. So when we try to budget and forecast, when we have different versions that come out of different scenarios based on different assumptions. Now the idea is to maintain all of those assumptions in one workbook, but to be able to work with those assumptions where the numbers exist or where the actual calculations happen. So here in the Rugby World Cup, it's kind of interesting, but what I've done is I've created a whole load of versions where we predict different outcomes for the Rugby World Cup. And I've got some that I made up using some kind of like technical assumptions, and then I've got some where we asked people what their opinions were, and they gave it to us. Now, as you can see, I've got 17 different versions here, all with different assumptions. If I go and have a look now at the actual results, I can pick any one of these versions, and I'm going to get, not only am I going to get who won which game all the way through to the final, but I'm going to get these assumptions coming through and actually supporting that. So you can see here, the North continue their dominance in the quarterfinals with France beating Scotland. So that assumption is sitting now with the data. This is really nice and useful if you're thinking about business. Now, I just wanted to show you how nice and easy this technology is and how it works. If I take something that I haven't filled in the assumptions, and you see the results here, but I don't see any assumptions, I'm just going to tile it up now, and I'm going to fill in the assumption on this particular one. So here it is here down the back sheet, and I come in over here, and I say this one, something as simple as that. I fill it in over here, and it's going to load this into a central OLAP database, and it's going to appear over here in the reporting side as well. And there we have it. So really useful, and this can appear wherever we want to. You can see it's governed by an OLAP formula, but we can have it anywhere we want to together with the numbers, and we can maintain it here, and we can have it two-way calculation as well. So we could change it over here and it would appear over here. Really useful, powerful thing for business. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make multiple videos talking you through each of these versions and seeing how different they are. So if you're interested in predicting the Rugby World Cup, have a look at the videos that are to follow.